Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trade smart money concepts in 2026 using these 7 checklists that I have arranged. If you use these 7 entry to trade smart money concepts in 2026, you'll be able to catch good trade. So welcome to my first video. This is my first video, and if you want to trade smart money concepts in 2026, these are the 7 checklists you need to check. The first checklist is to identify the higher time frame. Identify the higher time frame is like you need to check the trend. Is it uptrend or downtrend? If you want to trade smart money, you need to first of all check the trend. Where is it in a bearish way or in a bullish way? So if you want to check your trend if you want to trade smart money concept, you need to go to your higher time frame to check where is the market moving to. So let me go to 4 hours. So the market is a downtrend. It's a downtrend. So that's the first thing to check, and we'll be looking for sell. It's in the downtrend. Let me remove all those things. Let me explain it so that you can understand and take a good trade like this. So the second thing is to locate market structure. This market structure means you should look for like a break of structure or a change of character. So in this scenario, we are using a break of structure, and we're seeing 4 hours, and this is a good very break of structure. So let me mark it. So this is the break of structure, and we are in downtrend. We are looking for sell. This is a good entry that I took last week in USD card. So let me have. If you use this 7 step to trade smart money concept in 2026, you will catch a good trade, and you will not lose, and you will be able to trade consistently. So the third one is to look for a liquidity sweep. So look for a liquidity sweep. So look for a liquidity sweep, and this is a liquidity sweep. Let us go to 2 hours so that the market we you see the liquidity sweep. So this is a liquidity sweep. This is a liquidity sweep. So the fourth one is to check for your order block. No, the fourth one is to wait for liquidity sweep, and we have already found a liquidity zone in the third one, and the fourth one is to look for a liquidity sweep, and this has already been swept. And the fifth one is to check for order block, and this is very important. You should check for order block, and this is look at order look this is this is a order block here. So guys, if you want me to teach you how to find other block, how to identify other block in the market, you should just comment it so that I should just create a video, and we all should learn together. And this is a smart move. And let us check the next one. The sixth one is to look for imbalance. That's another block, and a valid order block must have an imbalance, and this is a valid order block here. This is an imbalance. This is an imbalance. This is the gap. This is the gap. If you want me to if you want me to do a video about that, and this is my first video, I will do it perfectly. You will understand, and we all should learn together. This is a fair value gap or imbalance. It's also called imbalance. So this is a good trade. It's a good trade. So the fifth one is to use a market shift. So this market shift is used for confirmation. It's used for confirmation. If you use this market shift, you will not just enter market like that. You don't shift is used for confirmation. After seeing all this, after you just say the liquidity sweep, reconstruction, FVG, e-balance, don't just enter the market like that. Just go to a lower time frame to find a market shift. Sometimes some market they will not do a market shift and just take an aggressive entry. I can still see a video about that. So let us just go to 45 minutes or 15 minutes. I prefer that. So this is a market shift. I can still do video about that. This is a market shift. Sorry guys. This is a market shift. This is a market shift. And came here to resist this other block over here, and this confirm a good entry, and you just confirm it, and you just take your next you just put your TP in the next resistance. So this is the resistance. This is a good trade, and I took it last week, and it's a winning trade for me. So guys, this is how to identify a valid SMC in the market. So if you want me to do more video, and this is how to still add in a bullish move. So if you want me to do video about all those FVG balance, just comment and we'll do a video about it, and we all should learn together. So I'm Vito FS. Thanks. I see you in my next one. This is how to identify a valid, and use this 7 checklists to identify your SMC before entering it, so that you can win it. If you use this 7, just screenshot it or just put it anywhere in your phone. Just check it before entering trade. In my next video, we're going to show more about it, how to check market before entering it, and how to identify a aggressive entry, and just take trade. So thanks very much. I see you in my next one.